Hello and welcome. Today we will help you unbox and get started with Havells' fabulous new Titania pop-up toaster. Now these easy to follow steps will demonstrate to you how best to utilize the Titania's array of smart features. When you're ready to get started, first open the box. Don't wait to look inside. First thing you will find inside the box is the user manual. Go through it for a complete list of basic instructions and precautions you must bear in mind while using the Titania pop-up toaster. The next thing you find in there will be your brand new Titania pop-up toaster. So carefully unwrap it and have a look at its evocative stainless steel outer body design. The stainless steel ABS body is of course the secret of Titania's strength and durability, as you will find out as you spend more time with it. Along with the stylish SS base, it also has a cool touch body that stays cool even when the Titania is in use. And because Havells believes in style and substance, the decorative front panel imbues the Titania with enough charm to match its strength. But the snazziest piece of technological wizardry in the Titania are the LED control buttons for defrost, cancel and reheat, which allow you to monitor the status of your toast even from a distance. But your greatest concern with food is safety and hygiene, and Havells understands that well. Which is why the Titania also comes with a hygienic dust cover to secure it against airborne contaminants when not in use. The built-in hygiene and safety measures, also more importantly, include the stainless steel cage housing, which helps in keeping your toaster assembly rust-free. The versatility of Titania's housing cage is actually unprecedented, with its amazing 32mm bread slot open to bread of any size. With this versatility in mind, the makers of Titania also fit in a high lift knob so that you won't have to struggle to get small breads to pop out. Even the Titania's browning control closely follows the versatility theme, with 7 different temperature settings to help you do more than just toast or reheat. Cleaning the Titania is as easy as using it, especially with its smart crumb tray feature, which collects breadcrumbs efficiently, and all you need to do is periodically clean it out. Storage too is taken care of with Titania's convenient cord winding facility at the base of the toaster, making it simple to stow away. The Titania is powered by an extremely capable 870-watt element and comes equipped with a 6-ampere 3-pin plug top. Apart from the Havells' foolproof technology, the Titania's illuminated defrost, reheat and cancel buttons, and the complete product itself has a 2-year warranty. Havells' Titania pop-up toaster is the best in its class, and you will be seeing it too once you've used it. So what are you waiting for?